Let's do it, bitch. This is gonna make me better. Let's do it. Oh, but this shit gonna put me to sleep. This shit is gonna put me to motherfucking sleep. But I'm gonna take it. Oh yeah, it's definitely much better. Come on. Come on, bitch. You can do it, hoe. That's the only way you'll feel better, bitch. Take some motherfucking Theraflu, and you'll feel much motherfucking better. Tell me. I got the flu and then my teeth. My teeth keep bleeding, so I gotta make a dentist appointment. I gotta make a dentist appointment. I gotta goddamn go and get a few of my teeth pulled because I gotta get some of my teeth pulled. The one in the back I gotta get pulled. The one in the middle I gotta get pulled. The one in the front I gotta get pulled. So yeah, hey CC. Yeah, I gotta get them bitches pulled, baby. Cause my shit is not gonna stop motherfucking bleeding. But it stopped now. Welcome to Houston, everybody whooping everybody. Yeah, it was my gun that was bleeding. You know, my gun was bleeding. No, I don't have COVID, boo. Matter of fact, I need to get my ass in the motherfucking bed. That's what I need to do. I need to get my ass in the bed because I feel like this stare fruit gonna put me to sleep. For real. Y'all got two outfits? That's cool. That's what it was like. I'm okay. I just gotta sleep under the covers. I gotta sweat this shit out. So that way I can feel much better. Cause, I bitch gotta feel much better. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sweat this bitch out. You know, I don't got no teeth. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. I took some Theraflu. I am about to get some sleep. You know, my team is not falling out. It's my calls. I am. Yeah, I'm finna give me some rest. I love y'all, but I'm finna give me some motherfucking rest. I'll see y'all when I see y'all, bitch. But I gotta sweat this shit out tonight.
So I'll see y'all later.